Hello students, good morning to all of you. In previous lecture, we had to study about exercise 3.1. Today, we will learn about exercise 3.2. Before learn about exercise 3.2, first we have to know what is x-axis, y-axis, and if we form a x-axis and a y-axis, how many planes cuts in how many parts, and what is the name of these parts? So in this, first we have to know what is the x-axis. So in about chapter I will tell you that what is x-axis, what is y-axis, and what is origin, what is the sign of the quadrant, and how many quadrants in a plane. So I will repeat this, that if we have two axes, मीन्स अगर हमारे पास दो एक्सिस हैं, एक का नाम है एक्स एक्सिस और दूसरे का नाम है वाई एक्सिस, देन द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इज नोन एज एक्स एक्सिस एंड द वर्टिकल लाइन इज नोन एज वाई एक्सिस एंड द कट पॉइंट ऑफ दीज लाइंस इज नोन एज ओरिजिन. ये आप लोगों को पिछले वीडियो में बताया गया है कि एक्स एक्सिस क्या है, वाई एक्सिस क्या है, ओरिजिन क्या है. एक्स एक्सिस क्या है, जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है उसे हम एक्स एक्सिस कहते हैं और वर्टिकल लाइन को हम वाई एक्सिस कहते हैं, और ये एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस का जो कट पॉइंट है उसे हम ओरिजिन कहते हैं. तो यदि एक प्लेन पर एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस बनाया जाए तो ये एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस उस प्लेन को चार भागों में डिवाइड करता है. तो इन फोर पार्ट्स को हम फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट और इसको फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. In Hindi we can say that प्रथम चतुर्थांश, द्वितीय चतुर्थांश, तृतीय चतुर्थांश and चतुर्थ चतुर्थांश. At origin means स्रोत, means जहां से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, that is the point, this is the origin. The cut point of x axis and y axis is known as origin. So now we come at question number first question. Write the answer of each of the following questions. First, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Means Cartesian plane में किसी कोऑर्डिनेट को दिखाने के लिए जो एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस, जो वर्टिकल लाइन और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन हम बनाते हैं, तो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को क्या कहते हैं और वर्टिकल लाइन को क्या कहते हैं? तो नेम ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इज एक्स एक्सिस एंड द नेम ऑफ वर्टिकल लाइन इज वाई एक्सिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ ईच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लेन फॉर्म्ड बाय दीज टू लाइंस? मींस इन दोनों लाइंस से जो ये फोर पार्ट्स बन रहे हैं, इन फोर पार्ट्स का नेम क्या है? Each part of the plane, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. These are the name of the part of the plane from which made by x axis and y axis. Question number 3, third है, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. point of x-axis and y-axis is origin. Means cut point of these lines is known as origin. Next question, question number 2. We have a given given a plane. At the plane we have two axes. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. At this axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now we have a point B and we have a point D. C. G. H. M. E. This is L. Now, first question is the coordinate of B. Coordinate of B. What is coordinate of B? At B, the distance of x-axis is -5 and the distance of y-axis is +2. So, coordinate of B is -5, 2. First we write abscissa and then ordinate. Abscissa is the distance of x-axis and ordinate is the distance of y-axis. So, coordinate of B is -5, 2. Next question, the coordinate of C. Coordinate of C. Coordinate of C. C C is this point. The distance of x-axis is plus 5 and the distance of y-axis is minus 5. So coordinate of C is minus 5 comma plus 5 comma minus 5. Now question number 3. The point identify the coordinates minus 3 comma minus 5. The point whose coordinate is minus 3 comma minus 5 minus 3 comma minus 5 means distance of x-axis is minus 3 and distance of y-axis is minus 5 means this point is the minus 3 comma minus 5. So the answer of this question is point E whose coordinate is minus 3 comma minus 5. Next question number 4. The point identified by the coordinates 2 comma minus 4 2 comma minus 4 means distance of x-axis is 2 and distance of y-axis is minus 4. So this point is known as 2 comma minus 4 means point G whose coordinate is 2 comma minus 4. Question number 5. The abscissa of the point D. The abscissa of the point D. Abscissa of point D means distance of x-axis of point D. Point D, the distance of x-axis is 6. So abscissa of point D is 6. Question number 6. The ordinate of the point H. Ordinate of point H. What is ordinate? Distance of y-axis is known as ordinate. This is the point H and the distance of y-axis is minus 3. So the ordinate of the point H is minus 3. Now question number 7. The coordinate of the point L. Coordinate of the point L. Coordinate of point L means distance of x-axis is 0 and distance of y-axis is 5. So coordinate of the point L is 0 comma 5. Now question number 8. The coordinate of the point M. Coordinate of point M means distance of x-axis is minus 3 and distance of y-axis is 0. So the coordinate of the point M is minus 3 comma 0. First we write distance of x-axis and then we write distance of y-axis. So the coordinate of the point M is minus 3 comma 0. So friends, thanks for today. Next day we learn about exercise 3.1.